So here we have David Friedberg, who is a billionaire investor, talking about his confidence in Google moving forward. And just wait till the end until you see why it's important that I'm pointing this out.
Optimization on maintenance. So he started using AI just for internal management of the infrastructure. So I would view the $75 billion CapEx actually as a very positive signal for the company. I think that it means that they have a really strong line of sight on how they're going to have full utilization and great return on this. If you do the math, ROIC math on this, $75 billion, assume a 20% ROIC, you've got to be generating, call it roughly an incremental $15 billion of profit a year, plus the amortization of the $75 billion. So take the $75 billion divided by 6, that's $12 billion plus $15 billion. So basically, they would need to make an incremental $27 billion of operating profit a year on the $75 billion for this to meet their ROIC performance. That doesn't seem crazy because that's just under 20% of their annual operating profit. This is a very kind of, I think, important point, which is Google doesn't just do this to build out AI in the future. They have a really strong line of sight on how this can kind of increment, and you don't have a huge hurdle for them for this to pay back. So I don't know. I would kind of, to Antonio's point, I'd view this as a positive. I think if you use their historical ability to manage infrastructure and make predictions on investments as an indicator of the future, this is a strong and positive indicator. And I do think that for all the naysayers out there that think that search is going to evolve to chat, you could look at this as being a really important proof point that Google has the confidence that they're going to be able to move from search to chat. And as Chamath points out,
So what that means is he's confident in Google, the company, moving forward because they're investing in the infrastructure to move from search to chat. That is the way the world is going, from search to chat. That is why I built RankBridge. I highly recommend you watch the entire podcast. It's the All-In podcast on YouTube or on any podcast service. And if you look along the bottom here, Google to spend $75 billion on AI build-out in 2025. Future of work in the age of AI. Let's go.